G'day viewers, well, I'm going to put the balls away, extension cords, the BAZ and the battery charger away. Have a good spare battery you'll get access to frequently. And yeah, our new house is a little bit of work, but all the phone line jacks in the house are all need to be worked. They're pretty old. The internet speed probably wouldn't be good as they are, so that'll be one of the first things getting fixed up. And I'll get a good ISP and get some good internet speed. As far as our backyard, well, it's got a little shed. We can build about 3/4 the size of that shed there. We can build. So is it? I think 4 by. Was it? I think it was 4. I think we can fit it. I'm pretty sure we can actually fit a 4 by 5 metre shed in the backyard. But if the cats, well, I don't know how Whiskers and Charlotte are going to go in town. They couldn't get lost, hit by cars or anything. They've got to get used to that. So I've got to make a little sanctuary at the back for them. Some accommodation for them. And Max has got to get used to town. He's going to bark at everyone. But yeah, this house is actually going to be a temporary house until we can get build a better one with room for sheds and everything. And this house that we've got now will be a investment property, rental. But it's pretty good inside. It's been the kitchen's been renovated, the bedrooms have been renovated, the bathroom's original, and the only part of the kitchen that's original is the back wall where the stove is. And it's got the odd arse-like Bunnings shit power point in the lounge room. It's just been put in the wall. The sparkies didn't even screw the power point to the wall. They just put one in, but the one below it, they just pushed it there and left it there. And yet the people that are in this house now, that are about to move out, have little 5-year-old kids. And that's not very safe. So that will be one of the first things we've got to fix up in that house. I've got to try and organise to get a network cable and put all throughout the house. At least in that lounge room area, so I can set an IPTV box up there and have a good internet access from the computer there. Because yeah, there is absolutely not worth watching free-to-air TV nowadays. It is bloody garbage. IPTV is the future, and of course you guys on YouTube. That's going to be put these in my container next. So I put these near the front. I'll put them in the corner near the front where I can, where I can access them. That's all there is to it. Not much else. That's all that's left in here. So it's been a good man cave, this one. Be sad to see it go, but possibly the last time you're going to see this man cave, the old caravan. Been good, been good. I've managed pretty well in a man cave this size. So something like this, at least this big, I can live with as a man cave in town. I just won't have storage. That'll be done off site. Anyway, the Dad's 40-footer container I arrived yesterday. It's quite nice. It's actually bigger than I thought, than the 20-footers up close. You feel a lot of stuff in there. Oh, there's Dad's container. Put our house stuff in here. I had to lift it up with a tractor, and the forklift would barely lift this thing empty. And to hold it at 3,000 RPM flat to get it to lift up just enough to get these woods onto it because it was on unlevel ground. These looks like shit there compared to my ones. It's 2002, is it? Manufactured by Yangzhou Tongyard Container Co Limited, China, or made by robots. Not 2003. Oh, okay. Not 2003. Mine's made in 2002, so this is a year newer than mine. And the guy reckons the customs and all the OH&S regulations regarding containers, the slightest bit of rust or damage on the container, that's it. They can't use the containers anymore, they've got to get rid of them. So that's why they don't last very long anymore. They don't circulate that much. They've got to sell them off, and these companies buy them to distribute these to the public so we can use them. So this has been repaired, had a couple of repairs, as in mine, for example, had been repainted inside and out. This one in particular has had some repairs by the company that buys them and then sells them off. There's a thing that slides under here. This is a steel plate here from the back. It slides in from the back to lift this container up. It's a bit different sort of to how the 20-footer one is. The halfway mark's about here. So 20 foot's here. Yeah. 20-footer isn't big enough. Heaps of room in here. Anyway, was a Hamburg stud container. Anyway, yeah, a lot of demand for these. A lot of people are actually buying these instead of building sheds. So what they're doing, they're sitting at the land, putting the container down, then building everything around it, and this becomes their shed. They're a lot more sturdier than the shed and everything. Turn the light off here, the battery's about to go flat. Yeah, these are the next best thing to a shed. You got room and money, you buy one of these. Better than paying for storage. There's like a camel light off here. And I thought a 20-footer I could fit heaps in there. I've got plenty of room left in there too, but yeah. When you got the room, get a 40-footer. Heaps better. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.